It's time. We did it. Hi guys, and welcome to the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. My name is Erica. If you are new here, hi, hello. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to take just a moment to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel, and I want to talk about upcoming videos. Please give me suggestions below on what types of things that you would like to see going forward on this channel. I do have a couple videos in mind that will be coming out in the next several weeks. One is going to be a provisional cast on, to where you make a crochet chain, put it on the loom, and then you have to strategically put stitch markers on the working yarn to keep those stitches live so that you can move them to the other side of the loom when you need to. So that one's coming up. I am going to go in more depth into how to mark your loom for toes and heels, and if you need more of an instep, or if you need a deeper heel, all that kinds of things. So we're going to go more in depth into math. I know, the dreaded word, math. And we're just going to talk about different types of things that can be done on the sock looms, whether it be color work, intarsia, vanilla knitting, cables, all kinds of things like that. So those videos will be coming in the future. But if there's anything else that you would like to know, please let me know below so that I can work on getting those videos into the schedule and the rotation. I also would like to know if you are enjoying my vlog type videos where I show you what I'm working on and kind of go with me throughout the day, or if you want more tutorials, or if you want to keep the mix the way it is. As I've always said, I wanted this to be more than just a tutorial channel. I wanted it to be more of a community. I, of course, will still continue to put the tutorials available to everybody, but I feel like we get more of a community when we can do it this way. I've also considered doing some lives, although I'm not quite sure how I would work that yet in the camper. I would have to bring my equipment from the house, and I'm not sure that I just have room for that yet. Also, I have been considering sharing with you my CSM experience. I did bring my sock knitting machine from the house today. It is not a Dean and Bean one. It is a different 3D printed one. So I want to get more proficient on it before I decide whether I am going to get a Dean and Bean one. I did use it this past weekend at the Dean and Bean Crank-In, and I really did enjoy it. And I also discovered that there is a once a month Crank-In at Friends and Fiberworks yarn store in the Asheville area, which, I mean, it's not terribly far from me, so it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours, so it's probably not something that I would want to do every month, but, you know, maybe getting my mom out of the area, maybe we'll get a room for the night, and I'll go to the Crank-In, or, you know, and she can come with me. Unfortunately, she does not knit or crochet, but maybe she would enjoy just a different atmosphere. I'm not sure. So I think that's all for now, but I want to know, before we go, what were you doing while watching this video? Were you loom knitting? Were you just sitting here enjoying my little talk while drinking a cup of hot coffee, or maybe it was iced coffee, maybe it was hot tea. I would love to know. Please comment below. Comment anything below. Of course, please make it nice so that we can communicate. It does help bring the community together more when they see comments and likes and things like that. But if you're still here, you had to watch this whole video to get to this part. I have reached my first subscriber goal. I wanted 1,000 subscribers, and it went a little over that before I had a chance to do this video, because y'all know, pretty much all of you know what I've been going through. So I have said, and unfortunately, this is going to have to be open to US only because of shipping and everything else. I really don't want to put anybody in the predicament where they may have to pay something on the other end. So this giveaway for the looms is going to be for US only. However, if you are not in the US, I am willing to give you one of my sock patterns as a prize if you're not a US winner. One of my Loom Knit socks. So, if you are a US resident, I am offering a Flexi Loom Biddy and the KB His and Hers. So we will have 2 winners. Now, what do you have to do to win? I will also let you know that these will be coming from Amazon, so I will be shipping them to your address directly from Amazon. So how do you enter? I am going to do a random comment picker, but you are going to have to answer a question. My question to you is this: how long have you been loom knitting socks? Are you new? Have you been doing it for a while? What types of yarn do you like to use? Answer one or all of those questions, and then I will do a random comment picker. Today is April 30th, 2026, and this giveaway will close on May 7th, 2026. I will be announcing the winner on May 8th, 2026. So, answer those questions below. And when I return with the video, I will put the names of the winners across the screen once we've done our random comment picker. So once I have picked a winner in that next video, I will tell you how to contact me. You must be a follower of this channel to win, and you must have it set to public so that I can see that you are a follower. Get those comments in, and good luck, everybody. Until next time, happy loom knitting. Bye.